If you run your entire business on WhatsApp, you know this sound. Hundreds of messages, files, voice notes. Every one feels urgent. Buried in that noise is one message you cannot afford to miss. And that's how one missed message can cost you thousands of dollars. That loss is avoidable by connecting WhatsApp to Claude and simply asking, "What needs my attention right now?" Claude reads every chat, file, and voice note, then separates what needs you now, what's waiting, and what's already handled. But it doesn't end there. You can now tell it to act. Find the file, forward it, tag the right person, or send the reply through your WhatsApp account. Every day, it automatically sends you an operation summary. What got done, what's still pending, and the one decision only you can make. But the issue is that WhatsApp doesn't connect to Claude natively. So, Automate Me makes that happen with custom code where we handle the entire custom setup with you over any desk, the VPS, MCP server, etc., making sure you never have to touch the code. Apply now at automateme.live/LWI.